Coolest thing I've ever seen out here. It'd be a really bad time to go swimming.
Dude, I got that one on footage. They're putting on a show now. They really are.